In this video we're going to learn how to make strings and some of the stuff we can do with those. So first of all, let's include the library we need, which is called string, and after that we can just declare strings like any other kind of value such as integer. So let's make our main integer main, and let's make an example of three integers where we ask the name equals empty, last name equals empty, and full name equals empty. Now these three are the same, and it means that those are empty. They have nothing inside those. If I print that, it's gonna show nothing. So, but even if it doesn't show anything, if I do this and this over here are not the same, because this one doesn't even have declared that it has nothing. So if I try to compare this and this, it's gonna send me an error because, well, there is nothing here, and here it's empty. So even empty means something. So let's always declare those. It's a good manner. So let's ask for the name. Give me your name and line. Yeah, give me your last name and line, last name. And with those two, we can make use of the last one, full name. Full name equals name plus and a space and last name. This one over here is basically gonna paste my name and my last name into a new function, into a new variable, sorry. So that is easier to use. Now let's try that. Let's save. It's G++. Example.cpp. So my name, last name. Oh, I didn't print that. Let's see. Your name is. And there we go. Prints the name. Nice and clean with space. If I didn't have put this over here, the name and the last name will be together. So let's not make that thing ugly. Now another thing we could do with strings is we can get the character that is in a certain position. So we can ask the user which position you want to know, as in which character he wants to know in which position. So let's say line position, and let's make position integer position equals 0. And now we can make a CR to tell the user which position is which letter. So the position number position has the letter position you want to know of your last name. So the position number, let's say 3, has the letter, and let's do last name dot add position has the letter A. Okay, so basically this function allows you to get one character from whatever you want to know from any sentence. So it's basically the variable's name, point at, and between these boys you put the position which we just asked. So, and we should get the character. So let's try that. Let's Control S. Eric Contreras. Which position of your you want to know your last name? So just as vectors, strings position start from 0. So basically, if I type 1, in theory I want to know C, but 1 for the computer is 0. So we need to put position -1 so that we think the same the computer is. So let's save that again. Let's break the code. Let's compile Eric Contreras and which position we want to know. So let's try to get that T. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be for the computer, it should be 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's say, and there we go. We got the T. Now, what else we can do? We can get the length as well of the sentence. So let's try to get that. The length is the length of your last name is, and then we use the name of the variable. In this case it's last name, point length, and we open and close those, and that should make it. Let's see if it works. Eric Contreras, which position? Say C, so it's 1, and the length is 9. Let's see if it's 9. It is Contreras, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. And well, these are some of the basic stuff you can do with strings. Hope you like it.